This is honestly the prettiest insulated lunch bag that I've seen in a long time. Blue floral corduroy. My teen's style is changing this season and she's getting more feminine, and this lunch bag is adorable and it's teen approved. The blue floral pattern is so stylish without being over the top, and the corduroy fabric gives it a fun, cozy look. It is really, really pretty. Having said that, my teen and I argued over whether or not everything she carries to school on a given day is going to fit in this lunchbox. She said yes, I said no. Let's see who wins, okay? Everything in here is just for informational purposes only, but let's see what it fits. And if she's right or if I'm right. So we have I just grabbed a bunch of stuff. So we have all of these snacks in here. Obviously, she's not going to eat snacks for lunch. She's going to eat healthier options. It just keeps coming. I have a full-size thermos in here. And lastly, I have where her actual hot lunch would be in this container, and that's where her food is. All of this and more could go in here. I can put an ice pack in here, silverware in here, has the little front compartment, and the inside is insulated, so it's going to keep everything cool until lunch time. It is lightweight, but once I had everything in here, it did hold its shape. Love the handles, grab and go between classes, or she can carry it on her way to the lunchroom. Final verdict. It is cute, and it is what my teen actually wants to carry. She won the bet. It actually looks like the lunch bag. She's going to keep it, and it holds all of this stuff. But I highly recommend